Introduction to Automated Task Management.
Automating your task management can save you time and reduce manual work. Trello, combined with low-code tools, makes it easy for beginners to streamline workflows. In this guide, you'll learn how to use Trello and select low-code solutions to set up simple, effective automations that keep your projects organized and on track.
Getting started with Trello.
Trello is a visual tool for organizing tasks and projects using boards, lists, and cards. To begin, create a free Trello account if you don't already have one. Set up a board for your workflow, add lists for different stages, and create cards for individual tasks. Trello's simple drag and drop system makes managing your work intuitive.
What are low-code tools?
Low-code tools let you create automations without deep programming knowledge. With user-friendly interfaces, these platforms allow you to build workflows by connecting apps and setting simple rules. Popular choices for Trello include Trello's own built-in automation called Butler, as well as third-party options like Zapier or IFTTT.
Popular Trello automations.
Common Trello automations can handle repetitive actions for you. For example, you can set up rules to automatically move cards when a due date arrives, send reminders when deadlines are near, or update checklists when a card changes lists. Using Butler or a low-code tool, these automations are accessible to anyone with no coding required.
Building your first Trello automation.
The previous user. Start with a simple trigger and action. In Trello, you might set an automation to move any card labeled complete to a done list. Open the automation menu, select your trigger, then define the result. Test your automation to ensure it works smoothly and adjust as needed to fit your task management style.
Maximizing productivity with automations.
Automations free you from repetitive tasks, letting you focus on your priorities. As you become comfortable with basic automations, try combining triggers and actions for more complex workflows. Monitor your board regularly to see what works, and refine your automations as your needs evolve. With practice, automated task management can make your workday smoother and more productive.